Kuma-gay, we are not safe. Do it with a protection. Sayenza, ayivumi ubaba. Ayenza ngama-protection, but uma seko umuntu i-condom azokutshela ukuthi yona iyamlimaza. So once time angitshela lezo athi dabula ngikhumbulile yazi ngakukhumbula iplastiki. I just meet your liver. I just miss your meat. Ne? And then nami that time yazi ingihlapele le condom yangihubula ngisho. Ngayibetha ngenyama. Ngalala nomaseko but abanye bebaphungulekile. Until today, ngisahlala nomaseko. I'm negative. Most of people, they're just saying, lo baba uyagula ini. I don't know what uyagula, but maybe my ancestors are protecting me. But today, mina, I'm negative.
And the liver has gone.
The matters go, the life goes on. I don't know what yena. Ngizoyifanda out njani HIV. I'm waiting for it. I will stand for.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Ask Khuluma with Pro. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button, and also don't forget to smash the like button. Yabona mawungamthanzi akudabula laphana kumndeni angadi ke ukuthi uthanza bani because uyahlekisana nangumuntu nangu. So beka ku podcast yakhe phela ugele laphana ku YouTube, ugele lesimade kule Hazel Mahazard ke sana, and bekakhuluma ngokuthi aqale ngokulala namaseko asebenzisa iplastic. Waya bagcina bangasayisebenzisa iplastic. Uthi umaseko uthi iplastic yamlimata, and uthi baya enjoyana flesh nje ke sana, flesh nje and uthi akanayo ingqulazi njena animehleni animele nje kancane. Uthi uklini uthi uklini kwani. Uthi people are saying ukuthi abayagula nani. Uthi ugele bophana iliphondo right. Ugele English yakhe ayangihlekisha shem. Dabula utokubulala. Please subscribe, share this video, comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. I'm signing out, so goodbye.